Most people think you need to be a professional writer to publish a book. That's not true. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a 300+ page ebook using ChatGPT and how you can sell it online. Not someday, not next year, this week. If you've ever wanted to turn ideas into income, stay with me. Success isn't about working harder. It's about using leverage. And right now, AI is the biggest leverage tool available to creators, entrepreneurs, and business owners. Let me show you the system. While most people scroll, some build digital assets. They build authority and credibility, generating income long after you create them. Today, I'll show you exactly how. Here's the truth. You don't need to write every word yourself. You need to learn how to direct AI properly. That's the difference. Let's go inside and build one step by step. Choose a profitable niche. Don't start with passion alone. Start with demand, self-development, real estate, business, fitness, personal finance. Ask ChatGPT, give me 20 profitable nonfiction book ideas trending this year. Now you're thinking strategically. You can prompt, generate 15 benefit-driven book titles optimized for Amazon search. Choose the one that promises transformation. Structure is everything. A strong table of contents makes your book feel professional. Prompt, create a detailed table of contents for a 300-page book with 15 chapters and 5 subtopics per chapter. Now you have your blueprint. Here's where most people fail. They ask for the entire book at once. Don't do that. Break it down. For each chapter, use 3 to 5 prompts. First prompt, write chapter 1 in 2,500 words, detailed and practical. Second prompt, add real-life examples. Third prompt, add exercises and action steps. Repeat this process. 15 chapters like this, you now have a 300+ page manuscript. Now polish it. Tell ChatGPT to improve clarity, remove repetition, make it more engaging. Editing is what separates amateurs from professionals. Now you format and upload it to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Write a strong description. Write a persuasive Amazon book description optimized for keywords. Design a clean cover, launch it, promote it. And now, you're not just someone with an idea, you're an author. Here's what most people won't tell you. Execution beats information. You can watch tutorials all day, or you can build assets. If you want the exact prompts I use, or if you want me to build your entire AI book for you, check the link in the description. I'm taking a limited number of clients this month. Build once, sell forever. I'll see you in the next episode.